This is how I got smoked on NQ today. So coming into the day, my bias was bullish. Price just inversed this 1 hour bullish gap right here with some pretty nice momentum on the 1 hour. And even though this high up here on the 1 hour was protected, I was still targeting it just because of how bullish this inverse was. And market open was pretty choppy right here at 8:30, but that's expected for a no news Monday. Then price came down here, swept out this 5-minute low inside of a fair value gap. Then we got a pretty nice V shape on the 5-minute. And this was my first trade right here. I set the break even right here as soon as we tapped into this 5-minute bearish gap. And that was a break even trade right there for me. Then price came back down. We re-manipulated this low down here. And then we formed another entry on the 3-minute. We got this other 3-minute V shape right here. And in lifetime, I didn't feel too confident in this setup just because of how bearish this reaction on the 5-minute looked. We got that nice wick out of this bearish gap. And for the 3-minute, I was going to set the break even right here. But as we can see here, price came up. We came pretty close to our break even, but then I got stopped out. And I didn't even wait for this candle right here to close. I exited around like right here towards the bottom of the gap because I knew it was going to be a loss. But I didn't risk much on this, thankfully, because I wasn't that confident in it. And honestly, I shouldn't have even taken it just because of how bearish this reaction looked on the 5-minute. And yeah, my bias today was just wrong. As you can see, price is just flushing down now. And before New York opened, I really thought price had no reason to go down because we swept out all this liquidity before going up. So we would just be targeting lows that swept out liquidity. And yeah, I just thought price wouldn't go down to sweep out lows that swept out liquidity. But that's exactly what we ended up doing. So yeah, my bias today was just wrong. And yeah, I think another reason this 3-minute loss right here was because this 5-minute was a rejection block right here. Because price just tapped into this 5-minute imbalance. So this was indeed a rejection block. And also because ES had SMTs at our full TP, which was at this high right here. As you can see, ES took that out and NQ didn't. And that's what I was targeting. But yeah, let me just give you guys an update on the account real quick. I'm minus 173 for today. And this is on my last Apex account. I actually blew the other one on last Thursday. I didn't make a video on it because I was sick. I'm still a little sick right now, if you guys could probably tell by my voice. So yeah, I only have one Apex account left and it's about $300 away from being blown, so that's not good. And yeah, this trade today was easily avoidable. I feel like the 3-minute loss, I knew it wasn't gonna win. I shouldn't have even taken it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.